First, write an infographic in the search bar. Choose Infographic from the list of templates available and select one that suits your needs. Now, you can change the heading as per your needs. Changing the text as per your requirements. Now, change the background color as per your choice. When you're done with your editing now, save and download it for future use. Now share your infographic for great promotion.